everyone, nice to see you part of today's video. In this fun upload, let's learn fractions explained, addition and subtraction. Let's start exploring. We have these two fractions, 4 over 2 and 3 over 7, and we want to add them. Multiply the first top times the second bottom, so we have 4 times 7, which is equal to 28. Multiply the first bottom times the second top, so we have 2 times 3, which is equal to 6. Now just add those two numbers, so we have 28 plus 6, which is equal to 34. Multiply the two denominators, so we have 2 times 7, which is equal to 14. And that is all. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe and join us next time.